Looking to take your business to the next level? Meet Infovaly Service and Solution. Our modern, powerful development, service, and innovation make your business easier. With quick and quality service, we specialize in IT managed services, web and applications development, cloud service, and network security for businesses of all sizes. At Infovaly, we offer a range of core services, including website development, software development, cloud services, cybersecurity, IT managed services, and app development. We're dedicated to building websites that create profit, providing software development services worldwide, and offering application maintenance over any cloud services. We work with a diverse range of technologies to transform your vision into a reality. From redeveloping industries using digital transformation to welcoming innovative ideas from any sector or industry, we're in the race to transform industries into digitalization. Infovaly believes in quality products and timely delivery, ensuring the success of our clients. With a 99% success score in app and web development, 55+ unique features implemented, and 100+ small and large innovations, we're here to help your business thrive. Ready to elevate your business? Get a free quote and join our list of satisfied clients. Infovaly Service and Solution, making your business easy.